Just pose. So guys, today we're gonna go to the Gona.
Slipper mo guys. Guys, bilisan nyo guys. Ang akong kilit-kilit guys.
Fit check. Alis na kami sa Bellevue, Almangbang. Hello guys! So today, So today, we are in the hill. Ito tayo. Kasi, okay. Ano?
Ano yung vlog?
Oo. Let's go inside. Oh, why do we go outside? This last man.
I am cold, nigga. Goddamn.
Nah! Mukha na siya kapag talaga.
Alright, Nikki.
Hi, miss.
Hi, miss.
Ano magbubura?
Mukha siyang apam eh.
Maraming dalang bit-bit na bag.
Party kami din.
Para
Ba't may madam dito?
ano yung
Miss.
vlog? Vlogger ka pala. Kung pang sin...
Saan tayo?
Tsaka ni steak. Ang ganda ng kuko mo. Ano to, press-on? Pwede talagang press-on.
3, go.
Oh, shimmy yay, shimmy ya.
So we are now at the hotel and we're gonna go to the room in the room.
Vlogger kasi tayo.
Hi guys!
Dito tayo sa tapit ng nanay ko. Uy, wag.
Saan mo ka sa gabi eh?
Wait, miss.
12?
Mickey.
Selfie na dala. Nikki, kasi ano, ngayon lang tayo magkasama. Mamaya hiwa-hiwalay na.
Disco pa.
Alis pa lang. Alis pala.
Kasi boy.
Kasi ano, alas
Okay, bye. Okay, welcome to my humble home. Ano to, room tour?
Why sulod? Why sulod,
Uy,
guys?
pwede to dalhin?
Bawal lang mabasagin ba? Bawal yan. May
Bakit?
bayad yan. May bayad yan. Kuha ka dito, may bayad din doon.
Ano kunin ko?
laman. Asan kaya room nila, Jaira?
Pareso naman. Guys, so we are in the room now. I'm with Abby. Ay, dumi lang pa ako. Kasi may pinag-apakan. Tapos, nasira yung water bottle ko.
gusto ko mag-dress.
Wow, so big bed.
I think I'm gonna.
Sit down.
Oh, let me try that. Let me try that.
Go, Derek. Derek, get him. Oh. Oh. Let go, let go, let go.
Ano?
What is this? Third?
Yeah.
Hey, sister. Hey, sister. Where do you go? Signature lounge. Let's go there. Let's go there.
Play area.
Guys, I think we're lost. Let's go check.
I'm gonna ask her if the other way is. I'm waiting for Kurt. Hey, what are you doing here?
Pagka next day, pag magkano sa next day, wala nang paso. Kaya pwede sa punta ni Rachel, mag-run sila. Ang dami nila magasto na lang. Mag-vlogger ka na ba, nak? Pag malaki na kita, sige sabihin mo at hindi na ako magtatrabaho
Mama.
Si Nikki ang ingay dito sa
Hello guys, this is my fit for the today.
Hoy, ito man din ako. Okay na?
Yes.
Kaso naka-nails na ko. Sayang.
Tara, pe. Accessories. Okay na?
Sige.
O, dili sila atong sa event. Di ba si
Uy,
teacher?
posible, uy.
Di ba si
Doon
teacher?
sila?
Posible naman.
Hi people!
Uy, nahihilo ako.
Magic oh.
Going down. Dito ba yun? Going down.
Agay!
Dito ba yun? Ground floor. Wait lang yan. Going up. Uy! Uy!
Ganda mo, Daniela.
May kabagay mo kabagay.
Tignan mo si Isabel. Tignan mo si Isabel. May card ka? May card ka?
Wait lang.
Gumunod ko para sa inyo. Dapat
Ang daw eh, umakyat sila eh.
dapat nagdala ako camera stick. Ano ba yun?
Umakyat tayo na doon.
What? No! No!
Ako din.
Hi, Nikki. Where have you been? Nikki, tingnan mo video mo. Why? Ito si Nero. Late. Late. Ang mga tinanggal ko na eh.
Petikot na ganun doon. Petikot
Group picture na tayo.
Tara. Tara.
How are you feeling today?
Nilalamig pero excited ako.
Asan yung ano mo? Yung blue stuff.
Oo, nakibig.
Abdi full name.
Abi.
Jaira! Lucia! Guys, our live ni Nero. I'm so sad.
Good evening, everyone. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today.
Tonight, deeply honored and humbled to accept this responsibility.
Evening, everyone. It is with great honor and deep respect that I stand here before you. I stand before you today with deep humility and gratitude as I accept this book of wisdom.
We're going to eat till eat.
Best part of the day.
Ay, ganda.
Ano ba ang tigas ng kilay mo? Akin din eh.
Ang tigas ng kilay ko. Dumikit bangs ko. Ito.
Bye!
Bye, people.
Gusto mo yan?
Pwede pala ito sa akin.
Ayos ka, may kinuha ka. Gusto mo sa'yo na lang. Pero sa'yo yung konti.
Una tayo. Tara. Tayo.
Ako ba yan?
Oo.
There are pre-made questions already, one from each of you, and these are different questions, okay?
Inspire others to be confident, to be, I know my dress is just simple or very ordinary, but I am just being me.
Will be given a chance to host a prom after party anywhere, I would pick Japan because I want the people who will come to my after party to see how beautiful Japan's culture is.
I think everyone needs someone that will go through our hardships and someone to love us. Thank you.
And we will know na kung sino nga ang ating magiging mga top 1, top 2, and top 3. So please do wait for our results.
They arrived at 6:30 and 6:32 respectively. Both of them are from the grade 10 class. So dalawa po sila mananalo, a pair of male and female. Ang una po ay si Peter Andrew C. Matthew C. Ubo. Frank Earl C. Wagman. I will be announcing the senior prom prince muna. Prom prince is Josh Marcus F. Sandoval, and our prom king is Isaac David Tan.
And now we would like to announce our prom senior princess and our prom queen. Alam ko hinihintay niya na itong sandali na ito para malaman natin kung sino ba talaga sa kanila ang mananalo as our prom queen and our prom or senior princess. for our senior princess. Miss Mariel Angela Cruz. And for our prom queen, Miss Wendy Liamas. Stay safe and good night. The floor is yours.
Ganda naman ito! Cute lang naman, guys. So, I look crazy right now. Pero, I couldn't film me saying bye-bye. Ang kulit kasi. Tapos nalobat na phone ko. Nakatayo pa yung pa. So unprofessional. I think the top 3s were really good. Kinakabado lang sila. Pero ang ganda nila. Ang ganda nila. If you're having prom soon, I hope you enjoy it. So before I end this, I just want to say thank you to my makeup artist and the one that did my hair. They were really good. I will put the link in their Facebook and the subscription down below. Go check them out if you're looking for a makeup artist or hairstylist. There's 2 of them. I think they're partners, and they will work together to do their best, and then it's so good. Especially yung kilay nila, yung ginawa nila sa kilay ko, like it's so good. And no matter how much I was sweating in the event, because I was dancing until I was dizzy and had a headache, it still stayed on, you know? That's the type of makeup you really should be focusing on when you're putting money on the makeup you want. If you want someone trustable, you can really trust them on that. Like, trust me, no? Anyways, bye-bye.